How to edit caption on Facebook Reels. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that the application is up to date. Also make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and then move into your account. Scroll down and you'll get to see your reels that you have posted before. Let's say you want to edit the caption of these reels. Tap on this three dot at the top right. Tons of different options will be visible to you. But you can see there is no any option where you can edit the caption. Even if you move into the video and click on this three dot at the bottom right corner, you won't find any of the option where you can edit the caption. So it is actually impossible to edit the caption once the video has been uploaded. But if you really want to edit or change the caption, then what you want to do is, you simply have to delete this reel video and then you have to upload it again. In the uploading process, you have to enter the caption that you wanted to edit. So only in that way, you will be able to change or edit the caption. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can edit caption on Facebook Reels. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.